Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we're taking a closer look at a vehicle that blends freedom, functionality, and comfort into one smartly designed package, the 2026 Toyota camper van. This new offering from Toyota brings a refreshing take on van life. Offering all the essentials for travel and adventure without compromising on style or practicality. The exterior of the 2026 Toyota camper van has been completely redesigned with a modern and adventurous look. It features a bold front fascia with a wide grille that gives it a confident stance, complemented by sharp LED headlamps and signature daytime running lights. The lines are smooth and aerodynamic, which not only helps with fuel efficiency but also gives it a sleek, upscale vibe. You'll notice functional elements like the roof rails, perfect for attaching extra gear, and side steps that make getting in and out a breeze. The van sits on sturdy 18-inch alloy wheels, designed to handle a mix of urban roads and rugged trails. Toyota also offers two-tone paint schemes, giving buyers a chance to customize the van's personality. Small details like blacked-out trims, smoke tail lights, and a rear spoiler make this van look less like a traditional boxy camper and more like an SUV-inspired adventure vehicle. Once inside, the Toyota camper van truly shines. The interior is designed to be both cozy and intelligent, optimized for travel and relaxation. The cabin feels spacious thanks to the high roofline and large side windows that let in plenty of natural light. Up front, the driver and passenger seats are heated and fully adjustable, with premium cloth or optional leather upholstery. The dashboard is modern and tech-packed, featuring a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and built-in navigation. A digital instrument cluster replaces traditional dials, making it easy to monitor trip data, range, and system status. In the back, the camper setup is both compact and clever. There's a fold-out bed system that fits two adults comfortably, along with hidden compartments for bedding and supplies. A small but efficient kitchenette is included, with an electric stove, a built-in mini fridge, and a collapsible sink. Toyota has managed to maximize every inch of space, adding overhead storage bins, slide-out drawers, and even a small fold-down table for meals or work. Soft LED lighting lines the ceiling, creating a calming atmosphere for nighttime use. There's also a climate control system that works even when the engine is off, powered by an onboard auxiliary battery. Add in USB ports, wireless charging stations, and a built-in Bluetooth speaker system, and this van feels more like a smart home on wheels. Under the hood, the 2026 camper van is powered by a 2.5-liter hybrid engine that delivers both efficiency and performance. With a combined output of around 215 horsepower, it offers smooth acceleration and enough torque to handle light off-roading and mountain routes. The hybrid system is paired with an eCVT transmission for seamless driving, and all-wheel drive is available on higher trims, making it ideal for camping off the beaten path. One of the most impressive features is its fuel economy. Toyota estimates around 34 miles per gallon, which is excellent for a vehicle in this category. The ride quality is refined, with enhanced suspension tuning that absorbs road imperfections, whether you're on pavement or gravel. It's quiet on the highway, stable around corners, and strong enough to tow small trailers or bikes. Pricing for the 2026 Toyota camper van starts at approximately $46,000 for the base trim, which includes all essential camping features like the fold-out bed, mini kitchen, and infotainment setup. Mid-level trims add more luxury and off-road capability, climbing to around $53,000. The fully loaded variant, which includes leather seats, solar charging panels, an upgraded battery system, and advanced driver assistance features, tops out near $60,000.